Ever found yourself with a nice chunk of GrabPay credits after a spree of food deliveries or rides? And wondered, can I actually get that money back into my bank account? Well, you're not alone. This is a question a lot of people have, and today, we're diving deep to find the answer. GrabPay is a fantastic system, offering convenience and rewards. But what happens when you want to cash out those rewards? Can you seamlessly transfer your GrabPay balance to your bank account? Let's find out. Understanding GrabPay. First things first, let's quickly understand what GrabPay actually is. It's essentially Grab's digital wallet. You use it for a wide range of services within the Grab ecosystem, from transportation, rides, taxis, delivery, to food orders, and even online shopping. The good news, yes, you can transfer your GrabPay balance. Now, the good news, yes, you can generally transfer your GrabPay balance to your bank account. This is usually a straightforward process, though the exact steps might vary slightly depending on your location and the specific GrabPay features available in your region. How to transfer your GrabPay balance. Check your GrabPay app, open your GrabPay app and navigate to your wallet or balance section. Look for withdraw or transfer options. You should find options like withdraw to bank or transfer to bank account. Enter bank account details. You'll likely need to enter your bank account information, including the account number and bank name. Confirm and submit. Double-check all the details for accuracy and then confirm the transfer request. Processing time. The transfer usually takes a short while to process. Check the GrabPay app for estimated processing times. Important considerations. Fees. Be aware of any potential transfer fees. Some regions may have small fees associated with withdrawing funds from your GrabPay balance. Minimum withdrawal amounts. There might be minimum withdrawal limits. Check the GrabPay app or their terms and conditions for details. Currency. Ensure your GrabPay balance is in the correct currency for your bank account. Tips for a smooth transfer. Verify bank details. Always double and triple check your bank account information to avoid any delays or incorrect transfers. Check transaction history. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on your GrabPay transaction history and your bank account statement to track the progress. Contact Grab support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, reach out to Grab customer support through the app or their website. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.